Hey, welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna be smoking some pork chops. Now I got the Pit Boss heated up 225. I got some thick pork chops, but not like the 2-inch thick ones. So I wanna go a little bit lower temperature so we can get that smoke rolling on those pork chops, get that smoke flavor. I'm using pecan pellets, by the way. First time using those. I normally go with like a fruit blend or apple, you know, wood pellet, but this time I'm going with pecan. So we're gonna see how that comes out. Let's get these pork chops on that smoker. Now we got to get our pork chops prepared. So I got gallon Ziploc bags, and I'm going 3 pork chops in each bag, and this is going to give it enough room for the brine. Now the ingredients will be in the description box below, and I got this barbecue rub that's in beta testing, right? So I'm gonna let you guys try it out because those ingredients will be in the description box below. Now I'm going in with some salt because this rub is salt free, so it's no salt, no sodium in that rub. Now if you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button and hit that bell so you know when I release my content. Now you know what's free? It's a like, so you don't have to pay anything. Just smash that like button for me also. Now we going in with pepper. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, man, I love pepper. Pepper is a spice that you can use a lot of, if you can handle it, but it also increases that flavor profile, right? Now you can see right here inside that bag the spices and herbs and all that good stuff. A little bit of salt, a little extra pepper. Now we're going in with some apple juice, and starting off, I'm just using about a cup or 2 in both bags, and the reason being is we want to get those spices incorporated before we add the rest of it. Now we're going to use half the bottle of apple juice in both bags, right? So it'll be an entire bottle of apple juice that you're going to use. Now as you can see there, that's going to be that brine once you fill it up with the rest of that apple juice. What we're gonna do is we're gonna seal this bag up, and I know you see right there, those are those herbs that I was talking about. It elevates the flavor profile of what you're cooking with. This barbecue rub, by the way, is gonna be absolutely fantastic when we get it right. Now we're gonna place this in the refrigerator, and we're gonna let it marinate overnight to maximize that flavor. Now after it's done marinating overnight, we're gonna take them out, and now we're going to get them prepared for that smoker. And you already know what we got to do. We got to get the season up. So we're going back in with my barbecue rub. Now, again, you can use whatever barbecue rub that you like. Your favorite barbecue rub is no problem, right? But, if you want to try it out, man, like I said, give it a try. I think you'll like it. Now we're gonna get this coated generously, right? Again, like I said, you do not have to worry about your salt intake because this is a sodium free, low sodium barbecue rub. So you can, kind of lather it on. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, with the combination of the smoked paprika and the chili powder, that's gonna give it a bunch of color. So when that smoke hits it, it's gonna look absolutely amazing on that grill. And then coming off that grill, your fam gonna be like, hey man, those pork chops look absolutely delicious. Now we're gonna get these seasoned up front and back, and then don't forget to hit those sides, man. Anytime that you're seasoning meat, some people forget those sides, but don't do that. Now we're gonna let this smoke roll. Look at that beautiful color right there. Like I said, we're gonna get these on the grill. So what I'm gonna do now, these pieces here, as you can see that nice BBQ rub right there on the back side, I don't know if you can see that juice accumulated. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna place these on the smoker, and then I'm gonna apply some more of that barbecue rub on that back side of that pork chop. And that barbecue rub smells absolutely delicious. Like I said, we're gonna go back, and then we're gonna hit this top with a little bit more of that barbecue rub, just to get that color that we're looking for when that smoke hits it. We're gonna be good. Now this is a salt-free barbecue rub, that I'm working with. You don't have to worry about the salt content because these herbs are gonna give you the flavor profile that you're looking for. Look at that right there. We're gonna let that smoke roll. Again, as I say, if you're looking, you ain't cooking. So we're gonna drop this top and let these bad boys smoke up. So about an hour and 30 minutes in, we gotta rotate these pork chops. Now, it's critical too to rotate your meats when you're smoking, because you see right here on my pellet grill, my exhaust is in the back, so you know heat likes to escape, or you got an escape point, so that's where all my heat's going. And then the front side is like my cooler heat side, right? So I'm just gonna rotate those pork chops so they can cook evenly, and then they're gonna come out around about the same time, if not the same time. So it'd be, you know, closer than it would be, you know, just me keeping, you know, one set on the back and never rotating them. All right, we're about 2.5 hours in, so we're gonna check these bad boys. That color looks absolutely amazing, and I'm gonna tell you that flavor is gonna be absolutely fantastic too. We already had them rotating, so we're gonna check the internal temperature on it. Now we're looking for about 140, right? See what they're probing. So we're looking at coming up about 125. So we got, you know, a couple, about 15 more degrees to go. And we'll probably get these rotated one more time. These back ones are sitting at about 132, and then the front one's sitting at about 125. So we're gonna rotate these one more time so they can come out at the same time. Just push these back, and again, you know, because of the sauces in the back, that's where your heat zone is gonna be, because all that heat's pushing out on the back, and this is more like the cool zone. Now these look absolutely amazing. Not gonna sauce these up, but look at that color right there. That looks absolutely fantastic. So we're gonna let these continue to go until they reach about 140. Like I said, we're about 2.5 hours in smoking. Like I said, you can see the color. That's what we were looking to achieve, you know, with that barbecue rub. But let's close that top again, because if you're looking, you ain't cooking. All right, these pork chops are ready to come out. All right, we said that 140, and look at this right here. You see that? That looks absolutely delicious. That color on these chops, man, that looks perfectly amazing. So we're gonna get the rest of these off, get them plated up, let them rest, and then we're gonna cut it to them. But these chops look absolutely delicious. And then this is kind of my favorite one right here. Look at that right there. Yes, sir. That looks absolutely delicious, fam. So you already know what we got to do. We got to give this bad boy a taste test. So here we go. I'm going to take this whole piece, right? And look at it, man. That thing looks tender. Got a nice flex to it. Cheers. Now, fam, that's absolutely delicious right there.